Goodklife Press Brake Mold, the reliable choice for metal processing. Goodklife Press Brake Mold is designed for the metalworking industry and is ideal for improving efficiency and quality. It supports material customization using high-quality raw materials combined with mature heat treatment processes, resulting in higher hardness and significantly longer service life, which reduces tooling procurement costs. Precise tolerance of mold size ensures consistent gap during dynamic operation, which is crucial for stable operation of the equipment and prolonging the life of the mold. They are also rust resistant, making them suitable for a wide range of processing environments. Goodklife Press Brake Mold allows for precise fit and quality control, guaranteeing the normal operation of the machine and providing reliable support for metal processing.